Dear friends, backlinks are very powerful and they increase your website's performance by multiple times. And here I am giving you free and easy backlink. And it's not totally free. You have to do something. What you have to do is that I have created one article on my website that is top alternative to Siddharth Rajekhar's Diamond membership. And this is also a top alternative to any digital marketing club you can see in the world. So this is available for limited people, but this is highly valuable for anyone who is very sincere to make career in digital marketing or digital coaching or want to grow their business. So this is highly valuable because I am providing personal direct implementation. So other clubs are providing tactics and accountability at a very high cost, like 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees. And I am providing tactics, accountability, and personal direct implementation at a very affordable price right now. Obviously, it's part of my promotion. Once I become big brand, I will increase the price, but not that much. So right now, I am requesting your review, 3 to 4 lines. What do you think about it? Do you appreciate? How do you appreciate it? And if there is any error or problem on this page, send me that also. I will make the correction. And you give me backlink from your website, from your digital marketing website, and to this page. Okay, you can mention 4 or 5 page images, sorry, 4 or 5 sentences, or you can create a small blog post, whatever. And from this page, on this page, I will mention your testimonial, like I have done for Ajay Deshkar, digital marketer. So I will give you backlink from here, and I will mention your name. I will mention your designation, means your profile. You are digital marketer, yoga trainer, or you are just social media manager, social media expert, whatever you are. So your name, your profile, and a backlink to your website and your testimonial will appear on my website. So this is a win-win situation for both of us because my website has good domain authority. Thanks to you and thanks to everyone who have supported me all this time. And I'm very thankful to all of you. So guys, please take out some time and get this backlink from this high domain authority website, which is also relevant because it is digital marketing website. I am a digital coach. So the domain authority is 28. You may think that it is low. No, it is not low. It is very high for a backlink because it is very relevant. So 28 domain authority is only for digital marketing. So if you go to any other websites, most of the websites, their domain authority is not very high. So if you talk about domain authority, Siddharth Rajekar has good domain authority, Digital Deepak has good domain authority, my website has good domain authority. A few more websites are there in India, they have good domain authority, and my good domain authority is going to increase soon. So I'm expecting my domain authority to be 50 plus by the end of March. So my domain authority will increase, the power of the backlink will also increase. So I'm giving you a free backlink. So you just go through this program, provide your positive feedback and your corrections feedback. I will make the corrections and I will give your testimonial mention here on this website. Uh, I mean, your testimonial will appear here and with your name and with your profile. Thank you very much. I hope it makes sense. It is going to be useful for you also and for me also. It's a win-win situation. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.